The Fifine H9 costs between $30 to $45, and honestly, at first glance, it looks way more expensive than it actually is. You'd expect a headset at this price to skimp on sound quality, but it actually delivers more than I thought it would. The stereo output is pleasant and functional for this price range. The lows are there, clear and present, without being as pronounced as headsets in the $80 to $150 range, but they're balanced enough that you'll actually enjoy your music. The mids carry voices and instruments with clarity, and the highs stay smooth even at higher volumes, nothing harsh or piercing like you'd get on budget options at $10 or $12. For gaming, the stereo imaging places footsteps and game sounds well enough to keep you aware of what's happening around you. Now, the 7.1 surround feature exists, but I genuinely didn't notice much improvement with it on. I've used the Corsair HS55 and Corsair HS65, and those give me a much better sense of directional audio in games. On the Fifine, the stereo mode already does the work, so I kept the surround off most of the time. Now, comfort is where this headset actually holds up better than I expected. The ear cups are covered in synthetic leather, which seals well, but does warm up after a while. The headband flexes without clamping too hard, and at 270 grams, it's not the lightest, but it didn't bother me during longer sessions. The metal adjustments feel more durable than the plastic shell, which is good because the rest of the build feels a bit fragile. There are some finishing issues. The cable can get pinched when fully extended, and the cups make noise when you move them, but if you're careful, it should last. The microphone is detachable, and the voice quality is good enough for gaming, but I wouldn't recommend it for recording live streams or videos like this one for YouTube. In that case, it would be better to use a more robust headset like the Logitech G733 or a dedicated microphone. The cable is fixed and has an extensor for audio and microphone inputs if you need it. It has a total length close to 2 meters. So, is this headset worth it? If you find it at a good price and need something simple that sounds decent, sure. But at the same price range, I'd personally go for the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2, the Redragon Zeus Lite, or the JBL Quantum 100. All three deliver better overall value, and I've already covered them on the channel, so check those out if you're still deciding. That was my complete take on the Fifine H9. If you've decided this is the right headset for you and want to support the work I do here, consider using the affiliate links in the description. I've already searched for the best deals to make it easier for you. When you buy through them, you don't pay anything extra, but you help the channel keep creating honest, detailed reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.